So you enter the Restoration Hardware restaurant through their furniture store, which is 4 floors. And of course, if you're feeling enthusiastic and energetic, you can take the stairs, which are fabulous. When we get to the top and you look down, you won't believe it. They have different furniture sections on each floor. And then of course, their incredible Ocean View restaurant, which is, like I said, the highest restaurant in all of Newport Beach. I've done there 4 or 5 times now. It's absolutely fabulous. The food is great. The service, you want to book it right at sunset and stay until they close. Then eventually they will throw you out around 10 o'clock or so. But anyway, we're going to take the elevator. Sitting in the elevator, you're now on the top floor of this 90,000 square foot building, which of course is owned by the Irvine Company. The whole shopping center and every building you can see is owned by Donald Brennan, the Irvine Company. Bless his heart, 94 years old, and I think still works every single day, if not 7 days a week. This is the magnificent semi-indoor section. Absolutely magnificent ocean view. So if you call ahead, you can reserve a specific table if you've been here before, or ask them for indoor or outdoor, depending on the season. And then, of course, the time of the year. Right now, we're just coming out of the shortest day of the year on December 21st, and they'll get longer until June, July, when it gets dark around 9 o'clock. But it's just fantastic. We haven't seen the best of the best, which is the sunset view over here. I think we could probably get away with walking around the front.